one of the members of the disability category of citizens of the state of Meghalaya, Binestar Kharpor, had spoken to media persons today to make an appeal to the general public and especially the leaders of the state to empathize with persons with disabilities insofar as attitude, behavior, and mentality are concerned. While addressing a press conference today, Binestar Kharpor lamented on the fact that the use of idioms referring to disabilities like blindness, dumbness, and deafness in day to day speech can hurt the sentiments of such persons, since they would not like to be looked down as somebody exhibiting negative characteristics of behavior just because they are not physically normal like the rest of the others. He therefore appealed to the general public to make an endeavor to exclude such phrases from their speech in order to avoid any negative impact on the spatially abled community of the state.
Deaf and physical handicap. Here, if you have observed properly, you might have heard people misuse these words very frequently. People associate these words with the attitude, not with the impairment. This is really a bad understanding, a misconception of people with regards to these important words which describe the different disability communities. Like the word in the case of blind, if you hear the word blind, automatically it tells you that it tells about the person who suffers from the eyes problem, from the loss of eyesight. So how can you associate this word which tells you about a person who has lost his eyesight or her eyesight to the attitude, the negative attitude? People say that, this representative of us is blind. He never sees the difficulties faced by his constituents or his people. Can we accept that? I think people who really have the reasoning power, the rationalism is strong, will not be able to buy this kind of misusing the words honestly without thinking, which in turn discriminates somebody else in their own society. So I humbly beg the members of societies, especially the educators, to really take note and try to understand the society. For example, in the last election campaigns, people have the candidates, various candidates who have contested for the last election, they have misused these words very frequently. For example, one of the legislators, who is now still a legislator of one of the constituencies, the media people asked, media brothers fraternity asked him, do you think that you will win this election? He directly said, the people are not blind. What does he mean by that? That means he means that people who are blind, they cannot notice what he does. They cannot identify or they cannot do a research. That means we are not human beings.